Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. I'm Alia Safri. Thank you for watching Industrial Guidance video. Warehouse Management and Inventory System. That is the topic that we are going to discuss today. Warehouse Management System has changed the face of the entire logistical and manufacturing structure. Nowadays, it is able to control the movement and storage of components and products in the warehouse and to process transitions, including receiving, picking, reordering, and shipping. If you guys want to know more about this topic, let's watch this video. Today's topic is about warehouse management and inventory system. So, we brought to you Madam Suprani Saringkan Punpem, Vice President, Supply Chain Management, Home Product Center, Malaysia, Sendirian Berhad. Hello, Madam.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Madam?
Very good.
Nice. So, thank you so much for being with us today in our Industrial Guidance video. But first of all, could you please introduce yourself a bit?
Of course, my name is Suprani. Saringkan Punpem. From the last name, you can tell I'm from Thailand. Well, I've been starting here in the Homepro, and then actually we are open this warehouse in like 5 years ago. So I'm the one of the person that helped to open all this supply chain management in Malaysia also. And right now we are from 1 store become 6 stores. So our distribution center here actually support for all our store that is open in Malaysia, because our space have been opened up more than we have before to support all the store that we have. And then if you're looking at what we have here now, when you're looking at the supply chain, that's the function I'm looking after. Basically, we have the part of the inventory management and the part of the distribution center.
So, what is actually distribution center?
Distribution center basically is taking care of when there are few functions in the distribution center. Of course, the key function will be 2 of them. The first one, we're talking about the inbound. And the second one is the outbound. You may wonder, what is the inbound and outbound?
Yeah.
The inbound basically is all about how you're receiving the traffic.
I see.
So the inventory where you're receiving, so maybe come from the vendor, come from the store, but it's more on the receiving function. So what we do is we receive, and after receive, then we distribute. So that's the outbound function. So basically that's the distribution center is all about, in and out, how we manage. Some of them will be also about the storage.
I
So
see.
some of them when we receive, keep first before redistribute to the store, or come and go right away. I think if you study in the inventory management, sometimes you will hear about put away, flow through, or cross dock.
Madam, as you mentioned earlier, there are 6 stores in Malaysia, right? So how this warehouse has been managed?
Well, basically our function is divided in 2 main parts. The first part is the inbound, and the second part is the outbound. So for the store, they are waiting for our product. So on the outbound side, basically we have to distribute whatever product that we have receiving from the inbound to the store. So all the 6 stores will receive our product basically right now every day.
I see. So actually, Madam, what is DC actually?
DC stands for distribution center. So the job is just like the name. The job is to distribute the product. So the vendor can just deliver to only one place, to our DC, and our inbound side will receive the product. Some of them may be put away into our storage area. Some of them maybe have to go right away. Sometimes we call it as a cross dock or the flow through. And then after that, let's go out with the outbound.
I see. So what we can understand here is inbound is all about receiving, outbound is about distribute, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so is there any specific system that you use to manage this warehouse?
Well, we have 2 parts. One is to manage on the software side, which is like, I think many companies also have the same. They have the warehouse management system. And And that warehouse management system also helps you to monitor the traffic, to monitor the inventory inside. And all this information actually linked to all the store also, because then everybody can know how many stock I have at each store, how many stock I have in here, how many we can send to the store to support the consumption.
That is actually the system that you use to manage this warehouse. So
Yes.
thank you, madam, very much for your sharing today, because we have come to the end of this video. So is there your last word for the students out there, especially for the students?
I think a lot to do when we're talking about retails. Supply chain has become very important in the whole retail system, because supply chain is handling whether how we're going to move the product from the manufacturer into the customer hand. And for us, the distribution system is to go to the store. So when we're looking into this, there are a lot to do in terms of computerized, how we automate several of the information, and how we can make sure the service level. So actually, if you are studying this area, I think one of the skills that you will need is also computerized. How well you can use the tools in order to help you to analyze the data and also to execute. So these are the things that if you're interested in the supply chain, computer cannot go away. Analytical have to stay with you, and of course, enjoy what you're doing.
All right, thank you so much, madam, for your sharing today. We have come to the end of this video. That's all for today's video. I'm Alia Safri. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye and Assalamualaikum.